A Manchester group whose rock and roll stance I have seriously disliked for 4 or 5 or 6 years. Never had any time for the group. Then a couple of months ago, a drummer called Ringo Starr, the other one, made me listen to a single which I absolutely loved. It turned out to be them, the Stone Roses. 89 begins them with a complete admission of error on my part. Big apologies, and here's a new one from the excellent Stone Roses. The Stone Roses, that track's called Waterfall. It's from their album, which will certainly be excellent, out in April. Thank you, Stone Roses.